Oh, hi! You see this little thingy right here? It's called a puzzle. And if you didn't know I'm a criminal mastermind, I could surely solve this little dealy-majig. So here we go! Here we go! Okay, the first thing you should know about any Rubik's Cube is that they're easy. Any moron, jackass, or joker could solve one. Sorry, what? What? Is it hot in here? I'm gonna take off my coat. As I was saying, this is a Rubik's Cube. Let's get started. What am I doing wrong? I told you that I was going to solve the Rubik's Cube, and I won't let you down. Let's do this!